Hare Krishna. So today I'm going to be reading from Spirit Matters, which is a book that is filled with columns that I wrote for Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times is one of the major newspapers in India, English medium newspapers in India. It has a very big building in Delhi. And so this essay they titled, Prosperity is a Boon to Self-Realization. It was published on 6th of January 2004. And it reads as follows, and I'm going to read it. The air you breathe, the water you drink, the food you eat, the milk you drink, the clothes you wear, the tires you replace, the film you develop, guess what? They are all contaminated. It's just impossible to be totally politically correct in an age rife with sweatshops, animal cruelty, and human rights violations. Maybe Marx was right, and capitalism is a scourge. After all, nothing is free, not even water or air. Australia, for example, sells $300 million worth of drinking water yearly. Water is now a luxury food, and, as an epigram has it, quality doesn't cost, it pays. If history has indeed proved Marx wrong, we are, in a sense, all ruled by global capitalism. Better communications, improved medicine, faster transport, more consumer goods, fancier PlayStations, access to thousands of internet images, glitzier entertainment, and sparkling malls are there for the minority elite, as the off-the-grid majority fights harder than ever for survival. In the process of becoming eager consumers, have we lost Vedic culture? Well, it's not that simple. Even though corporate dominance seems to have narrowed our ever-widening choices, there is something beneficial about material progress. It has been said that money can't buy happiness, but it sure helps. Diamonds in a trash can? It's not that simple either. Wealth, easy living, and a fortunate position on the world stage doesn't necessarily bring or buy happiness and contentment. But such facilities can give us pause to reflect and resources for change. Even the Bhagavad Gita 6.41, which hardly fits into the consumer picture of contemporary life, says Shri Matam Gehe, referring to how an unsuccessful yogi takes the next birth in a prosperous family. In answering Arjuna's question about falling away from the path leading to material and spiritual success, Krishna also says that anyone attempting to do good is never overcome by evil. The United Nations, NGOs, charities worldwide, many pioneering souls, even movies and TV, on rare occasions, have improved the lot of mankind. Such efforts are symptomatic of a deeper desire for a saner life, a life free from crime, violence, drug abuse, moral depravity, and environmental degradation. The Gita's roadmap continues to help many individuals and communities resurrect kindness, decontaminate nature, protect all beings, and reinstate morality. Be bold. Bring a beautiful book into your life this year. Hare Krishna.